Right.
India 130 crore population, still they are not number one. But you see that in Bangladesh and Nepal will be one of the best country in future, I believe. Why? You see the Malaysia, Nepali people are very successful.
Right.
And Gulf also, Nepali people are successful. And Bangladesh is starting now here. Inshallah, you see next 2 years, inshallah. They will show their activities. And Arab community is growing now. So what I want to say, the Bangladesh is one of the most important country because they are very hard worker and DXN can do. So many companies coming not only in Bangladesh, other countries for the pyramid scheme, and they are selling dream only.
Right.
But we are selling the realistic, because dream with the system. And our people are, how many successful people are around the world for us? And we need blessings money. Because I see lots of people, they're doing some company and after that, they switched off their mobile and they change the country also. They leave from the country also.
Leave the country.
Leave the country also. But because I respect, because it is not their fault also. Sometimes because of the company fault and they are facing problem. So I would like to tell you, that's why I told from the beginning, those are blessed. They are introduced with DXN, like this company. Of course, not only DXN, of course, there is a lots of good company also there. But when you talk about the good company, you need visionaries. You need not shortcut money. If you think shortcut money, then you will fail. Because one day you can change your mobile, maybe you can change your country, and you need to hide yourself. But if you do like DXN company, you never hide, and you will peace of mind. You can be your family, and you can anywhere, no problem. So for our business, our system, and life is only one. You need to enjoy. It's not meaning how much money you need. It's not meaning which car you are using. But you need peace of mind and you need sustainable income.
Exactly, right.
Sustainable income with blessings and satisfaction. That is with DXN. I believe we never talk anything wrong against the industry. We are not given any claim. We are not talking unnecessary, what actually not possible. I am talking from my heart what I achieve and what I believe. And what DXN teaches us.
Harun bhai, we have got so many members, Bangladeshis community, which is in Malaysia. We have got Tajuddin bhai and his team. Even today we have invited Mohammad Sain. He's a Star Ruby. So basically they are working 12 hours, 13 hours a day, and hardly they will get any off day during 1 week. But somehow the convincing, of all our leaders, of course, your inspiration speech and whatnot had somehow brought them into DXN already. And today they find some time, very little time they has got in order to do this business. But they are still managing. We are talking about survival. Simply because of why, Harun bhai, we are just sharing with them something. Since you have already left your home country, you come to Malaysia, you come to Singapore, you're working 12 hours, 13 hours. And one day when your contract already finished, basically you have got nothing when you go back to Bangladesh. Why don't you spend some time, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, whatever time that you have get per week, please work something for your future. That is what we have been talking from the very day one in order to build this community. Now in Malaysia, the Bangladeshi community is also growing, Harun bhai. Same thing goes to Singapore also. We have got so many Bangladeshis in Singapore. Can you please give some of your inspiration speech, so that can inspire this group of people, apart from working very hard for their living, please also focus in DXN system, so that when they go back to Bangladesh one day, they can sustain with whatever bonus that they have got for their survival. So please give that small message to this group of people who are hearing us today.
First of all, it is a good question, and also I just want to tell, Bangladesh, I told you, after 5 years you see how it is going to happen. Because it is very clear vision in front of me.
Right.
See, why? First of all, I would like to request all our Bangladeshi members, please, first of all, respect the rules and regulations the country we are, anywhere in the world. This is very important because we are the nation, we carry our nationality, with us, because our people are very good, but they don't have sometimes guidance.
Right.
Actually, so they sometimes they're doing some unknowingly also. So our community, those people are really for the good quality and quality people in the country, any country. Please, I think all of us, we need to guide those people are normal people in different countries. It is very important for us to protect our nation image. ওকে, আমি যেটা বাংলাদেশি আপনাদের সবাইকে বলবো, আপনারা রুলস রেগুলেশনগুলি মেনে চলেন। আর পাশাপাশি আমি যেটা বলবো, ফর ইউর ইনফরমেশন, দেশ এন্ড বাংলাদেশ উই বট জুম, around 500 people can attend. And for your information, next Sunday we have all over the world Bangladeshi community, Diamond Above, they will give the speech, their success story, and those are already member, non-Diamond, they will see because they will learn how it is going on. I also bought, and some of our leader bought that one. So what we did, they cannot come to in the meeting, example in the office, but we need to teach them, guide them how they can be a, first of all, good citizen or good people in which country he is living. We are helping the government also instead of doing wrong things. So we are to guide them through the action system. So we are helping the actually for the community. আরেকটা হচ্ছে যে আমরা আপনাদের যারা জব করতেছেন, আপনার জবকে ঠিক রাখেন, কারণ আপনার কোম্পানি বাঁচলে আপনি বাঁচবেন এই ক্রাইসিস টাইমে। প্লিজ লাভ ইউর কোম্পানি, do something better for them so you can survive, country can survive. So this is most important things. I believe all community or all the country, your company where you are working, please do your best in this time.
Yes.
To support the company, support the country. Same time, আমরা যে জিনিসটা করতে চাচ্ছি সেটা হলো যে রাত্রের বেলায় আমরা জুম মিটিং করব। We try to make Zoom meeting to guide them before their job, after their job. So even after job, now great opportunity in our government. We have one national program that is called Digital Bangladesh. So digital, if the citizen is not digital, how country will be digital, right? So
yes, you're right.
So in Bangladesh community, we are teaching our people about our world, Facebook, internet, also YouTube and Zoom, right? So we are teach our people. So when we teach our people, it is part of the country. They are helping people, the country, right? And they're teaching people also the good things, the duplication. So I feel they can join all the time after we can meeting around 1 o'clock, because last 3 days I couldn't sleep. Whole night we are meeting. Meeting, and also today we have one program around 300-400 people in Bahrain, the Eid festival. Eid festival, and different group also doing. So we are helping our country, our people, and we are not proof still, but it is we have a long vision, and we are preparing and learn and grow. Facing challenge and grow. We are doing that one, and I would like to tell all the, not only Bangladeshi, all expatriates, those are in different countries. Love your job. Along with that, drink coffee, make money. Brush your teeth, make money. Take shower, make money, and build your career status, right? If you are a manager or supervisor in any company, when you go back to your home, you will tell, I was manager in Malaysia, I was supervisor. But when you drink coffee and share and make money and status, when you go your country, still same status, right? Even you know more in the world, you are same status, you given to your legacy and status, your family. Not only that, when you go to your country, even Bangladesh, Philippines, Malaysia, India. But when you connect to internet in the village, you need only 2 things. One is power, electricity, another is internet. If you have internet and power, you are connecting with the whole world, you are not in your room. So you can monitor your team anywhere in the world, everywhere. It is very simple. Very simple, our strategy, our business, our success. Only, yeah. So when you make people want to be successful, you want to be successful, but you need to help people what they want in their life. So as a coach, as a leader, you need to upgrade their life. When you upgrade their life, you need to hard work, sacrifice, because they didn't understand. Maybe they have they finished their masters, they have some they know their pride, but you see, I told you, opportunity is not there, no benefit, but we are providing opportunity, we are not take the opportunity. So if people understand the opportunity, they will be fantastic. They can contribute their country the human being, the organization, the lifting people life. It is possible through DXN. So I believe all the expatriates, those are working in abroad, love your job, love your company. Do it, help the country, the company. Then along with that, you can do DXN anytime, anywhere, any place with anybody. No problem.
Right. So, Mr. Harun, thank you very much for the wonderful sharing. I believe that those people who are hearing us, somewhere, somehow, they will get inspired, with your presentation today. And I wish to thank you for your precious time to share with us, to come on live, even though today is the Eid for all the Muslim and Muslimat to celebrate with and to be with their family. But however, those people who are hearing us, they are also our family, and there is nothing wrong to spend some time if, let's say, we can help them, because DXN is very unique by itself, and we are here made for each other, help each other, and we will definitely go to the greater heights of the success. So Harun Bhai, thank you very much for joining us today, and also thank you very much for those people who are hearing us. Do you have anything to say, Mr. Harun,
yes,
before we call the session off?
Yeah, I would like to just last conclusion. First of all, I would like to my sincere gratitude to you. Actually, it was not planned. I came and I get the chance to this
so
important day to greetings everybody. Eid Mubarak. And those are already long time watching, around 1 hour plus. So I really give my sincere gratitude to them, because with patience and with anything's wrong, please don't mind, because we talk about from our heart. Maybe when we're going to talk, sometimes we cannot remember lots of things. So it is all sincere. So try to, what is good, try to accept that one. What is wrong, forgive and forget it.
Exactly.
That is one of the most important. And second thing, because when we go from this world, what is going to happen for us? Because if we do some good things, people will remember. And because the DXN leader around the world, I believe they are helping people to change, to do good things for their contribution for the changing people's life, society.
Right.
So I think those are not take decision seriously or not joined with DXN. Please, for future, start today, not tomorrow. Join with us. You are not alone. We are with you. Our system with you. Our company with you. We are here to support you anywhere in the world. Thank you very much. All the best.
Thank you so much, Harun Bhai. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.